Hi everyone, I've been a little bit busy. Now, you're all familiar with the sharpening station, but behind me was a huge mess. Not anymore. Bench, another grinder. This is going to be my 1x30 area. Some power, some shelving. Big bench over there, plenty of room for the motorbike. Another big bench over here, lots of shelving space, lots of floor space. So now I've got a fantastic workshop in which to live and play. What do you think of that?